What is going on, family? Welcome to another episode of RF Creations. On this episode, we're going to clean up the RX-7 because it's very dirty and we need to clean her up. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these seats out. They're not even bolted in. I'm not sure why, but we're going to take them off too, so we can clean this mess right here. Let's go. Alright guys, so the seats are off. Let's continue. Guys, next we're going to take out this roll bar. As I said in the previous video, I don't like it, so it's time to take it out of the car. Basically, we have to remove these 3 bolts. There's one here, one over there, and one right here. Same on the other side, and then we'll have to grind this out because it's welded. So let's do that. So here's my father.
Morning. Gonna try it.
He's getting ready to cut the base. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, we got the roll bar out. We did a good job, my father. So it already looks much better without the roll bar. So let's keep going, guys.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day. Yesterday I had a few things to take care of, so I couldn't finish, but we'll finish up today. What we're gonna do today is we're going to clean these seats. We're going to vacuum them up, and then we're gonna be using this product right here to clean them up, and hopefully they'll look good after the process. And also guys, my friend Bonjotech came by to work on his drift car, so let's see how the day goes. Stay tuned. so we already vacuum clean it. So now we're going to proceed on applying this product on the seats. So the direction says that we have to spray it directly to the surface, and we have to allow it to penetrate, to get into the fibers, and then we have to wipe it off with a damp cloth. So we have our bucket of water and a cloth, and let's go. Let's check up on Bonjotech. Let's see how he's doing. Oh, so they're ready?
Ready.
Here you have, guys, all done. New lines. Ready for more smoke? So, yeah. So guys, just to show you a bit of Bonjotech's car. This thing is a beast. It has an LS engine. Woo! Beast product. Damn, man, that's Bonjotech. Crazy dude, mad skills. He happens to be one of Aruba top drifters. You can see why we're gonna be doing more videos with him in the future for sure. So that being said, let's get back to the RX-7. So guys, I already applied the product into the seats. I accidentally deleted that footage. I'm sorry for that, but as you can see, the product is already soaked into the fabric, and now what we have to do is to pick our damp cloth and wipe the seats off. So that's what we're going to do right now. There you go, guys. I think they turned out very good. They still have to dry out, so I'm going to leave them to dry. In the meantime, we're going to clean the inside of this car, and then we're going to install everything back together. Let's go. Hey guys, as you can see, it's later in the day now. I actually went ahead and finished up the work for today, so I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. In my opinion, it turned out very good, so let's show you guys how it turned out. It's even starting to look like a car now. I went ahead and installed the rear seats. As you can see, the front seats turned out very good. The product did a very good job. So there you have it. But before we finish up today's video, we have to put the finishing touch to today's work and call it the day. So I mean, every clean car has to have a good scent. So this is right here is the finishing touch. Let's go. Alright guys, there you have it. So that concludes today's video. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or requests, please make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I mean, I appreciate you guys to take the time to watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. So thank you guys again. You guys take care. See you in the next video. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.